I told you that we'd need the dead mouse on the camera. Now you gotta refilm the intro.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Project Help Desk. Today I'm going to show you how to make your vinyl siding nice and clean. Just a little bit of bleach and water and maybe a little bit of scrubbing if it's been like 3 years since like ours has. I need to clean all the green stuff off the actual thing I'm going to be using to clean off the green stuff.
Gilmore Professional.
Could use a new lube job. How strong does it need to be? This is 1 gallon of bleach. I make it up as I go. I'm thinking half a gallon's all I need for 3 gallons of water. Okay, half gallon of bleach.
You put a full gallon in there.
Absolutely love this water hose. We've had these for about 5 years now.
Got to make sure you switch up arms. You don't want one arm getting bigger than the other. And just a couple quick items that I do need to make sure you are aware of. You can and you will injure your plants if you get this mixture on them and it is strong enough. The amount you see me use today, it will kill grass. It may kill leaves on plants as far as bushes go. It shouldn't kill the actual bush, but it may actually injure the leaves. So be careful with plants nearby when you're spraying this stuff. And this is specific to vinyl siding. If you have wood or some other painted material, you may bleach that surface. Always take everything like this with a grain of salt. You may want to do some test spots first. Don't just go and start spraying something like I do because, you know, I'm a redneck. First, we're just gonna wet it down.
And you can see the streaks where it's starting to clean and cut through all of the slime and grime.
So now I'm going to go ahead and spray it down and just to see how effective it's been in spots that may need some additional.
And with just the first spraying, you can see that most of it has already started to slide off. One day I definitely need to get me a backpack sprayer or get the electric one that I have attached to the lawnmower so I don't have to do this.
Yeah, I mean, this hadn't been done in a few years, so that's like 3 years of buildup.
Decided to get a scrubber.
Because it's been so long, I had to scrub this time where if I do it every few months, I don't have to. Basically, I'm using a paint pole from Lowe's with a brush head that we had randomly laying around attached to the end.
That looks so much better. I forgot the eaves up there at the very top. Since you still had bleach left, you're spraying it more?
Yeah, just getting rid of the bleach.
Final rinse. You probably should have washed it with the bleach water before.
Yeah, I should have sprayed this down first.
The water line.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of oil left in there still.
I'm like, that's a problem you can easily solve.
Now I need to get the water out of the lines, so. Okay, and as you see, basically a little bit of bleach and water, and most of the stuff that is on your vinyl siding will run right off. If it's been a few years, you may need to put a little bit of scrubbing into it, but for the most part, if you do this once every 6 months, once a year, just a little bit of light bleach and water spray will pretty much clean your siding right off. Just hose it down and you are done. About as maintenance free and cheap as you can get. And unlike a power washer, you don't have to worry about accidentally knocking off the vinyl siding off the side of your house.
Ask me how I know. Oh.
Ask me how I know. No need to bring that up. I only did it once. But hey, if you enjoyed the video, please do the usual social media things at the bottom, and we hope to see you on the next one. And if you have any questions or comments about how we did this, alternate methods, what may be safe, what may not, hey, throw them in the comments below. We'll be happy to try to answer everything. Again, the caveat being, this is just how I did it. It may not necessarily be what's right for you. I'm just showing you what worked for me.
And we apologize for the wind. We have no control over the wind. He gives me wind all the time.
Hey, you're gassier than a hot air balloon, woman. I don't want to hear anything.
I would decline that statement, but
You can't.
I can't. Ooh, this is I like this angle.